I'm Moshe Jacobson, student number 2461271.
I'm Dean Gengram, student number 2557056.
And this is our bridge for the civil engineering project.
We decided in our structure to use I-beams because it requires the least amount of volume for a given area, and it allows the weight to be spread across the entire eye, and it bends instead of snapping. We chose the triangle instead of squares because in our research we found that triangles are stronger because they support the weight by the members instead of the joints.
Yeah, and this was also proved by our experiments we did with the jelly tots, where the triangle bridge was able to hold more mass than the square bridge. The items we chose, the recycled materials we used for our design, were recycled lollipop sticks to make up the members of the structure. This is because they're lightweight and rigid and able to support a lot of mass. We also, for our joints, we decided to use paper mache with a very high glue content because we were really unsure of how we'd be able to join the different members together without using like a classic adhesive. So we used a high glue content in the paper mache with our recycled newspaper to ensure that everything was fixed completely.
Personally, I believe that this bridge can hold about 15 kilos in mass, approximately.
I don't have as much faith in the bridge, and I think the bridge will only be able to hold 12 kilograms.
Due to lack of mass pieces available, we needed to use a human's mass in order to break the bridge.
The final mass before the load when it broke was 21.5 kilograms. However, the next mass was approximately 65 kilograms, so that's not the best engineering practices when it comes to testing. The area where the bridge broke was along these final joints. The flex from the bridge resulted in the sides being lifted up. The lift up of the sides caused the joints to come out. For future practice, it would be recommended to reinforce the joints on the side, as they turn out to be the highest load bearing due to the flexing of the bridge and the forces applied. But all in all, I'd say it was a success.